Are you planning a trip to Marriott Ocean Pointe here on Singer Island in Florida? And you want to see what a studio villa looks like? Well, let's head inside and check out ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Before we head inside here and take a look at our studio villa here, which is actually the smaller lock-off side of the full 2-bedroom villa, I want to let you know on this channel I provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. But hey, even if you don't own timeshare, but you love staying in fantastic timeshare resort properties, I also do villa tours, resort tours, and resort reviews as well. So be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, and also click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's head inside here. We're in the Dolphin Building, still an unrenovated villa here at Marriott Ocean Pointe, 6th floor. Unit 6601. Let's head inside and check it out. Heading into the studio villa here, the one we were in was actually an end unit at the very back of one of the buildings. So it actually had a nice window here that let in a bunch of light. But otherwise, right inside the entry is where you'll find the small kitchenette. Small bar-sized refrigerator, coffee maker, toaster, microwave oven, enough glassware, dinnerware, and silverware for 4 people. And since there is no freezer in here with an ice maker, you do have an ice bucket in the room as well. You can take and fill up at one of the ice machines. You'll notice here as we're taking a look inside the freezer, they do give you a couple of ice cube trays. They actually do work pretty well, but you will find sometimes difficult to get ice out of those. We found it actually kind of convenient to have those. We use those most of the time, but like I said, with the ice bucket, you can get some ice down at one of the ice machines. Right across from that kitchenette is where you'll find the bathroom. Just a single vanity, nice large mirror in here. Actually a pretty good sized bathroom. Also has, of course, a toilet and a bathtub with a shower. Now the shower in here, the bathtub, the tile in here, it does look a little dated, unfortunately. But good news is we're going to be going through all of the buildings here in the next few years and refurbishing the units. So I hope they change out that tile. Now heading out of the bathroom, we're going to make our way into the main living area. Just a studio villa here, so you have the living area and the bed all in the same room. Just a king-size bed here with a couple of nightstands. On each side of the television, you do also have a couple of small closets. This one here has the ironing board, and the in-room safe. And on the other side of the television, just a standard closet, mainly for additional storage. But it's also where you'll find some additional bedding for the pull-out sofa. Now moving into the living area, you do have a couple of ottomans there. A sofa that does, like I mentioned, pull out into a queen size sleeper sofa. And right kind of adjacent to this, you have just a small breakfast table and 2 chairs. Now that we've seen the inside of the villa, it's time to head outside. We're going to take a look at the balcony. All right, so I've now made it out here to the balcony of our oceanside studio villa here at Marriott Ocean Pointe on Singer Island. And that's actually what you can see behind me here is Singer Island, and then further down there, quite a bit in the distance, is West Palm Beach. But pretty small balcony here, just a small patio table and 2 chairs, no overhead ceiling fan up there, and I could not find an electrical outlet out here either. So if you're coming here to do any kind of remote work, you want to do some work from the patio, you're going to either have to run off battery power or figure out a way to run an extension cord inside to an electrical outlet in there. But otherwise, it's not too bad, but not too great. We don't really have a great view of the ocean here either. It just not all that convenient. We're in the end that is closest to the street. So are you planning a trip here to Marriott Ocean Pointe? Do you have any questions about the resort or the villas? We come here quite a bit. If you do, let me know down in the comments below. And I'd also love to hear about your upcoming trip here to Marriott Ocean Pointe. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Really does help out these videos. Also helps to tell YouTube you like them too, and to push you more just like it. And to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video from Marriott Ocean Pointe, check out this one right up here and YouTube. They think you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.